Hey, what's up, YouTube and Triple T members? Jeremy Barber here, owner of Trade in the Trend chat room on Discord. The link is in the video description. We had one end of day play from yesterday, and that was BYFC. From close yesterday, it was up about 6% today, so nice little profit. Again, not huge, but in this market, we'll take what we can get. So today I wanted to kind of walk you through one of our end of day plays to see what I'm looking at and how I'm analyzing a chart. Here is the daily chart for MOGU, and this was selected as an end of day play today, and I'm going to show you the setup and why it was selected. So I actually haven't played this setup in quite some time. This setup is an oversold bounce setup. So you can see that we had 8 straight red days in a row, which brought us right down to support at $2. You can see it bounced here, 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 and here off of this $2 line. And actually previous to that, you can see that this $2 actually acted as resistance a couple times. We ran into it there and there before we finally were able to break into or over the $2 mark. So we have strong support. I'll have my stop loss about 2% below. And our first resistance is right up here around 250. Now, I may not hold up to 250. I'm looking for, if I can get a nice 5% win out of it, I'm going to take that, especially with the way the market's been lately. So, but this does present a good risk to reward. We're sitting right on support with room up to 250. Now, whenever I'm playing an oversold chart pattern, I typically don't use any indicators for breakouts, but for oversold chart patterns, I do. I use RSI, MACD, and the slow stochastics. And basically what I want to see is 2 out of 3 of these either trending up or starting to trend up. So if we look at our RSI here, we can see that we bottomed out yesterday and we have started moving up. Our MACD, our signal line, is still going down. It might be a little bit starting to flatten out right there, but still pretty much heading down. And then our stochastics, you can see right here, it started moving up and we're actually just barely crossed. These two lines just crossed. And you can see right here was the last time we were oversold and crossed. We moved from the $2 mark up to $3.50 area. So that was about a 75% move over about a month period. And again, this is all chart reading is about finding patterns. So we're looking at this saying last time it bounced off $2, we were oversold, meaning that we were underneath this 20 line. Stochastics go from 0 to 100. Anything under 20 is oversold. And right now we're sitting about 3. So it is extremely oversold. But so last time we saw this same setup out of this stock, we got a pretty nice move, and that's what we're looking to get again today or tomorrow whenever we're selling. Ideally, you would like to be somewhere near support. You have a long stretch of red candlesticks leading into your first green day, and then you want to see that your indicators are starting to turn up. So that is the basics of the oversold chart setup. Like I said, this setup hasn't been used in quite a while, but I foresee that it becoming more useful over the next couple of months. So I hope you found the information useful and it's something that you can use in your trading. So that was the oversold chart setup. Again, hasn't been used a lot lately, but is definitely a useful setup that I've used many times in the past. So hopefully you can take it and apply it to your trading, and it's something that will benefit you. So I will show our results that from the one play that we had yesterday. And then I'll also post our 2 plays that we entered today. Again, one of them being the MOGU that we just reviewed. Thanks for joining. Good luck and stay green.